friends, my name is Miss Jessica. I am the Art Nourishment Coordinator here at the Discovery Center, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make some cool fireworks just in time for the 4th of July. Okay, so what you need is a paper plate to pour some paint out on, a toilet paper roll, some thicker paper, like Bristol I would recommend. It's just thicker and it won't bunch up once you put the paint on it. So what we're going to do with the toilet paper roll is kind of cut it so it has like fringe to make the firework shape. So I cut maybe a little bit lower than the middle, right to here, like about 2 inches in, 1.5, 2 inches, and just kind of start cutting fringe to our toilet paper roll. Okay, so I have all of my fringe that I cut. So now I'm just going to take the pieces and bend them backwards. Okay, and I kind of went like this on the table just to make sure they all were the same. They were all flat, like the same length. So then I'm going to get some paint out on the plate. So I have blue and red. You can pick any colors you want. Fireworks come in all different kinds of colors. There's some blue, and I'm using tempera paint. It's washable acrylic paint, water-based, so it will come out in the wash. Here's some red. Okay. Now what I did is kind of move the plate around so they touch, so we get kind of like a tie-dye effect to the fireworks. Parent might want to help you with that so you don't get any paint around. Okay, so we have a new blank piece of paper, and we're going to use our toilet paper roll kind of like a stamp. So I'm going to mix it in and kind of twirl it a little bit, and then place it onto the paper and kind of hop it back and forth like so to make a really cool firework, patriotic firework. This would look really cool on black paper with like glow-in-the-dark paint, or you could use any kind of paint, any kind of colors. But yeah, that is an easy way to make fireworks for the 4th of July. Thank you.